Okay, next one up for me is this BMW R9T. This belongs to Danny next door at DBH Motorcycles. He has just recently taken this in. This is going to get a full dose of Trott love. We do quite a few of these BMWs. It's one of our specialties. Get all those nuts and bolts all sorted out. We'll get that exhaust all polished up. Get all this bit here looking like new. More than anything, we'll get some XCP on it once it has been cleaned. It's a nice little addition to tell someone when they're looking at a second-hand bike, it's just been trotted and fully protected for the winter ahead. So yeah, we'll get all these exhausts minted up, get these calipers, wheels. I'm going to do a two-stage machine polish on that tank just to make sure that's nice and glossy, and then we'll get some XCP on it. Let's get cracking. There you go, just put the finishing touches on this BMW R9T. This belongs to Danny at DBH Motorcycles. What a transformation on this, absolutely gleaming now. Look at those exhausts come up like new, all up underneath, been polished. All your end cans, all that bit there, everything's been XCP'd. I did a single stage machine polish on the bodywork. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. All the wheels have been thoroughly cleaned, all the spokes have been XCP'd, all your suspension linkages XCP'd. That exhaust, lovely jubbly, all done in just over 2 hours. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. Time to get your bike trotted. 07966 249 963.